Is your Samsung dryer making weird noises or taking forever to dry? We repaired a Samsung dryer with a loud operating noise caused by a faulty roller and pulley. After replacing the worn parts, the dryer began running smoothly and quietly. We also discovered restricted airflow due to a clogged vent line. After a complete vent cleaning, airflow was fully restored, improving drying performance and reducing cycle time. A blocked vent can lead to longer drying times, higher energy bills, and potential safety risks. Schedule your professional appliance service with Mend It Appliance Service for expert diagnosis, repair, and maintenance.